Bro, after everything she did, after the heartbreak, betrayal, and pain, gusto mo na bang maging isang lalaking hindi na basta-basta nasasaktan? A man who's calm, unshakable, emotionally untouchable. Let's be real, bro. Heartbreak can destroy a man in a way no physical injury ever could. Hindi nakikita ang sugat, pero ramdam na ramdam. Pero may lalaki na kahit iniwan, kahit niloko, kahit sinaktan, bumabangon ng mas matigas, mas malakas, at mas hindi na matitinag ulit. In this video, I will teach you the exact steps to become emotionally untouchable. Not heartless, not numb, but in control. Part 1, build a mind that doesn't break easily. Emotions come from your thoughts. So if your mind is weak, your heart will follow. Kaya unang step, control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. When you catch yourself thinking, bakit niya ako iniwan? Sana bumalik siya. Ano nang ginagawa niya? Stop. Replace it with, I can't control her, but I can control who I become. Untouchable men don't chase explanations. They chase improvement. Part 2, detach from what you cannot control. Bro, the most powerful men in history mastered detachment. Not caring less, but caring correctly. Detachment means that you stop giving your peace to things outside your control. She left. You can't control that. She chose someone else. You can't control that. She doesn't love you anymore. You can't control that. But you can control how you respond, how you grow, and how you move forward. Untouchable men don't hold on to what's not theirs anymore. Part 3, rebuild your identity without her. You became too attached, because she became your world. And that's why losing her felt like losing yourself. But this is the moment where you rebuild your identity, as a man with purpose, not attachment. Ask yourself, who am I without her? What kind of man do I want to become? What do I want to achieve? The stronger your identity, the less anyone can shake you. Part 4, discipline will make you emotionally tough. Bro, discipline builds emotional armor. You become untouchable when you wake up early, hit the gym, focus on your goals, grind in silence, build consistency, keep promises to yourself. Every time you do something difficult, you train your emotions to obey your logic. That's why disciplined men rarely break down, their routine keeps them grounded. Part 5, stop seeking validation from her or anyone. The biggest source of emotional weakness. Validation addiction. Kapag kailangan mo ng approval, attention, affection, or closure mula sa babae, madali kang masaktan. But when your validation comes from yourself, from your growth, your improvement, your progress, wala nang pwedeng makasira ng mundo mo. Untouchable men don't need to be chosen. They choose themselves. Part 6, control your reactions. This is real power. Someone can insult you, ignore you, block you, cheat on you, leave you. But none of that can destroy you, unless you react emotionally. You become untouchable when you stop giving instant reactions. Before responding, ask, is this worth my energy? Does this affect my mission? Does this matter to the man I'm becoming? Emotional control is not pretending not to feel, it's choosing how to act despite what you feel. Part 2, embrace solitude. Learn to be alone without feeling lonely. Most men are emotionally weak because they can't stand being alone. They cling, they chase, they depend. But solitude is where powerful men are created. When you can sit alone in your room, work on yourself, think clearly, plan your future, and enjoy your own company. You become someone no woman can break. Solitude builds clarity. Clarity builds stability. Stability builds emotional invincibility. Part 8, Let go of what you expected. You're hurt because you're comparing reality to what you wished happened. Stop asking, bakit hindi niya ako pinili? Bakit hindi niya tinupad yung sinabi niya? Bakit hindi nag-work out? Bro, expectations are the roots of emotional suffering. Let go of the story you created in your mind. Accept the reality. Release the fantasy. That's how you become untouchable. Part 9, focus on purpose over emotion. When your purpose is bigger than your pain, pain becomes small. A man with mission, with ambition, with direction, cannot be controlled by heartbreak. She can live, but your mission stays. Your purpose becomes your armor. And when you live with purpose, women feel it. People respect it. You gain power, the emotional kind. Part 10, the final transformation, become a man. WHO can't be broken twice. Bro, heartbreak is not the end. It's an upgrade. It's the moment when you evolve from dependent to independent, emotional to logical, attached to detached, lost to focused, broken to unbreakable. To be emotionally untouchable doesn't mean you don't feel, it means feelings can't control you anymore. Remember these words: the man who masters his emotions, masters his entire life.